and the beauty of it all, and the sun comes shining through.
Phil Sanchez here at the QSC booth, Winter NAMM 2015. Just wanted to take a few minutes to show you about the new product updates from QSC.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
We're here to talk about our newly updated TouchMix version 2.0, and we also have our TouchMix 8, which is our new little brother in the product line that's now shipping. So our TouchMix 8 and our TouchMix 16 are both fully featured mixers, but we've added some new functionality for remote wireless control with an iDevice, also the ability to have lockout permissions, and the ability to extend the range of your Wi-Fi with external router or external network connection. So these are all newly updated functions of the mixer, in addition to the fact that you can get great sounds using the presets, the simple modes, and all the effects and dynamics functions that we built into this little tiny box. It's a powerful mixer in a little tiny package. It's compact and complete, and it's brand new from QSC. So our TouchMix is fully featured, and what that means is that every single channel, if you open up a channel strip, you have the ability to see your EQ, your compressor, and your gate across all either 12 or 20 channels depending on which model you have. There's no processing trade-off, so you can get in and adjust all these as you need, and with the simple push of a button, you also have simple mode, which makes it easier for the less experienced audio user. In addition to that, we have 4 stereo effects engines that are built in with sends from every single channel, as well as a total of 10 auxiliary, on the TouchMix 8 we have a total of 4 auxiliaries, 10 auxiliaries on the 16, and our preset screen, which makes it easy to just quickly grab and get our dynamic section up and running from the beginning without any muss and fuss. On our main navigation page, we have all of our input channels, our effects masters, our auxiliary outputs, and DCA groups so that we can group channels together and control volumes and mutes globally. Now we have the ability to assign our user buttons, so we can very quickly, with a push of a few buttons, make sure that I can get to my delay by holding that. And we'll assign it. And now, from any page that I'm on, I can make sure to get back to my delay and adjust my tap tempo in short order very quickly. There's hundreds of functions you can assign these user buttons to, and you can get in that in the menu. Pretty much every function on this mixer is only about 1 or 2 button pushes away, including your recording function, because you do have the ability to multi-track record all 12 channels individually and then play them back through the device or put them on your computer in Pro Tools or Cubase or whatever DAW of your choice is. So the TouchMix was designed for musicians, for live production professionals, and for live music venues that need all the power and the capability of a large format console, but it's something that's much more compact, easy to use, and of course affordable. So what we've done is we've built into a feature set that will satisfy the most advanced audio professional that has 20, 30 years of experience, but we've also included a series of features and simple modes and presets that will make it easy for the brand new user to the digital realm. Whether this is your first digital console or your 4th or 5th, this has got all the functionality in it that's going to really get you great sound up and running very quickly.
Just the two of us, just the two of us, building castles in the sky.
The other thing we're showing here are, actually it was a product we introduced about 2 months ago, which are our new GXD series amplifiers. Big thing about GXD, we have onboard processing on these amps. We got 2 models in the line, the GXD4 and the GXD8. GXD4, you get 400 watts of power at 8 ohms. GXD8, 800 watts of power at 8 ohms. They were designed or ideal for taking 4 ohm loads, so you'd be able to put a little bit more on the amplifier without stressing it. Lightweight, very shallow depth. So for those portable applications, when you're playing clubs or whatever, GXD is a great solution, has everything you need on there to get your loudspeaker and your system up and running. Well, and finally from QSC that we want to point out new for Winter NAMM 2015 is our wide lines with our new finishes. They now come in a tour grade Line-X finish. Still the same great wide line 10, wide line 8 boxes that we've known in the past, but now they have the Line-X finish, which makes them ideal for all those road applications, tour. They're going to hold up a lot better than they did before. Also want to point out now, we've got tunings in the PLDs, which again, we introduced PLD about 1.5 years ago, but now the PLD amplifiers include wide line tunings built into the amplifier, so setting up the rig has gotten even easier. No need to carry the extra outboard processing because all the processing you need for your wide line rig will be in the QSC PLD amplifiers. So again, those are the things we've got new to show from Winter NAMM 2015. Again, Phil Sanchez here at the QSC booth. Thanks for watching.